Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing splines. Splines are non-uniform curves which are used to create irregular shapes. In AutoCAD, you can create splines by using two methods, spline fit and spline CV. These methods will be explained in this session shortly. Let's turn off the grid first, and then we will create a square. Let's assign similar dimensions to length and width to get a square shape. Now we will use the spline fit. Here you can see two options. First, we will use the spline fit. As in this method, we need to specify various points, and the spline will be created passing through these specific points, like this. By right-clicking and then giving an enter value, we get the spline. We can also do it by using spacebar or pressing the enter key from keyboard. Now we will create a square again, and this time we will use the spline CV. The spline CV, we will specify various points called control vertices. As we specify the control vertices, imaginary lines are created connected them. The spline will be drawn tangent to these lines, as you have seen in this example. To get a clear picture, I will create these mountain or hill-like structures, and you can see how the control vertices will adjust themselves to create such irregular shape. You will not observe many versatile uses in this session for this specific topic of splines, but sometimes we come across with different situations where we have to use splines to get rid of what we want. So, this was all about splines. See you in next session. Till then, take care.